Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the astounding world of animals, a world brimming with wonder, curiosity, and extraordinary facts that will leave you utterly astounded. From our furry companions who share our homes to the enigmatic creatures dwelling in the ocean's depths, we've got it all covered. Prepare to have your minds blown wide open. Our dogs. Those loyal, loving creatures who have earned the title of man's best friend. But how well do we truly know them? Beyond those soulful eyes and wagging tails lies a world of fascinating abilities. Did you know that dogs possess an uncanny sense of time? It's true. They can anticipate future events, like their daily walks or even their owner's return home. It's as though they have an internal clock that rivals any wristwatch. And if you thought your nose was sharp, prepare to be humbled. A dog's sense of smell is at least 40 times more acute than ours. They experience the world through a symphony of scents, detecting subtle odors that we humans can't even fathom. It's no wonder they're such expert sniffers. Now, let's dive into the cerulean depths and meet the dolphins, those acrobatic marvels of the ocean. These intelligent creatures possess a level of cognitive ability that is truly remarkable. Dolphins have been observed using tools, like sponges, to aid in hunting. It's a testament to their problem-solving skills and adaptability. But what truly sets them apart is their complex communication system. Dolphins communicate through a series of whistles and clicks, each one unique to an individual, much like our names. These whistles convey vital information about their whereabouts, emotional state, and even potential dangers. It's a language as intricate and nuanced as any spoken by humans. Chapter 3: Alligators versus Crocodiles. A Tale of Two Snouts. Prepare yourselves, for we're venturing into the realm of reptilian giants, alligators and crocodiles. These ancient predators often spark confusion, but fear not, for we're here to unravel their mysteries. The key to distinguishing between them lies in their snouts. Alligators sport a wide, rounded snout, resembling a giant letter U. Crocodiles, on the other hand, possess a more pointed, V-shaped snout. Think of it this way: alligators prefer a more user-friendly snout, while crocodiles are all about that sleek, streamlined design. And while both creatures command respect, crocodiles tend to be more aggressive, ruling their watery domains with a fierceness that earns them the title of apex predator. Chapter 4: Taking Flight with Feathered Friends. From the depths of the oceans, we ascend to the skies. The avian world is a symphony of colours and songs. Take the Arctic tern, for instance. It undertakes one of the most grueling migrations on Earth. And let's not forget parrots, masters of mimicry. These intelligent birds form deep bonds with humans. Chapter 5: The Buzz on Bees. Nature's tiny architects. Bees tirelessly work for the good of the colony. We often associate bees with honey, but their importance extends far beyond our taste buds. Bees are master communicators, employing a series of intricate dance moves known as the waggle dance. It's a language as old as time, ensuring the survival of the hive. As we bid farewell to the animal kingdom for now, let the wonders we've uncovered linger in your thoughts. Remember the unbreakable bond with our canine companions, the intelligence of dolphins, the prehistoric power of alligators and crocodiles, the awe-inspiring journeys of birds, and the industrious nature of bees. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Until next time, Keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.